So let's just give it a tweak. Hold it tight, make sure it's nice and right angly, nice and straight. Nice straight line. This is not too difficult, just be a bit careful, work slowly. Not going to be hard really, making 3 of these the same. So I'm quite happy with that. I'm going to snip that off. There you go, let's make 3 of those. So let's have a look. I've turned up 2, I just want to put these together, see if it works. Just put that on there quickly. Looks like it's going to work okay. Just 1 more, goes there. In theory, I should just be able to line these up, like, get them nice and straight. Give me something straight. So if they're straight, yeah, and nicely together, come on. If I add this 3rd one and they're all accurate, they should all be nicely lined up. Let's try it out. Oh, seems to be pretty good. Okay, so that's the layout of it, kind of sorted. That's like the foundation. We'll add to it from that. So what I've done, luckily I've got a new charcoal block. If you haven't got a nice flat charcoal block like yours is a bit worn in, you can always just go outside and rub it against a brick or something. Just a bit of sandpaper is fine over a bin. As long as you keep it flat, you can get a nice flat surface again on your charcoal block. What I'm doing, I'm just going to solder these 2 together. So just like I did on video just then, lined them up perfectly, push something straight against it so they're touching and perfectly in line. And then when that's a solid piece, I will add that one onto it. If it's got just the right amount of heat, it kind of hisses and sticks it in position. But it's very gentle using that to move a bit of solder around on a piece which is very delicately in position. Whoop, charcoal block just cracked. So you got this cool looking little thing. I did actually have to work really carefully to get that lined up how I wanted to. Anyway, it's straight now. There's actually these 2 bits were just soldered there. Now this one is sort of joining on from there, so you've got to solder that half and that half. There's actually 2 points to solder now. So I'll go ahead and do that. Just touch a little bit of hard solder on and do the same again. Get it all stuck together nicely. All right, so just pull this out of the acid. I quite like it. See, I'm checking looking up and down it. Perhaps not 100% perfect. 98. That one looks better, looking at up and down. I like that though. I like how these shapes join in the middle, but the lines are straight across, but the actual piece is not straight across. It looks like it's got potential to be other things. I don't know. Anyway, today it's a snowflake.